Are you so excited?
I know, buddy. You're crazy. You're crazy.
He looks like he's about to be.
He looks so angry, but that's what he does. So it only took about 6 hours of packing. Started it at 5:30 in the morning.
It's 9:30.
We're ready to go camp in the rain. I started packing last night, then I gave up. It's been 2 days of packing. So you are 3 months post-op?
7 weeks.
I'm a bad husband. 7 weeks post-op from ACL surgery. And what are you trying to do today?
I'm getting in the ocean today. It's time to mermaid.
All right, let's do this. All right, kiddos.
This one.
They're watching our last camping video. You guys chose that on your own?
Yeah.
Nice. Where was that camping at? Sweetwater.
Please go there after I do it.
Yeah, we could go there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go to South Carlsbad campground, but there's a giant storm coming in SoCal. So, pretty worried. I don't have any rain gear. Oh, we forgot Tucker's food.
Hi, I name Aspen and as watching this a so cool and they have brother with us. Help! And I have also Tucker. Tucker. Yeah, him sleeping. And Chris with his daughters and everyone. Yeah. And also have chips. And also have mine. These. Whoa. Bye.
All right, we're heading out. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Tell me all your stories, won't you tell me all your tales? Did the wind send you moving like a boat about to sail? Did you travel across the country with your suitcase in tow? Did you ever fall in love with the man you came to know? Tell me why you headed west, searching for your soul, just to sell it to the devil on that godforsaken road. Did it make you happy? Oh, now tell me you're content, always stubborn as an oak tree. You would never make it bend.
I know, buddy. You're crazy. You're
He looks
crazy.
like he's about to be.
He looks so angry, but that's what he does. Even his tag says, "I swear I'm smiling." Yeah.
My husband does too. Yeah, you guys see this dog. What?
Hey buddy, what's going on? You're the same, won't you tell me you're the same?
Oh, be
You're the same, won't you tell me you're the same?
All right, here we are. Oh my gosh, look at these waves, guys. Look at these waves. Oh my God. I did not bring my board because it's just me and the kids, but oh man, I should have brought my surfboard. See these guys.
Daddy,
Yep.
why are you bringing your surfboard?
I should have, huh? Say it again?
I still camp here.
We did. You have such a great memory.
Right there.
Were we on that one?
No.
That one over there? Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that wave. Oh. Oh my gosh. I know it's not going to show up great with the GoPro, but oh my gosh. Oh, I should have brought my surfboard. There was just so many things happening. It was supposed to rain, but it's not raining that bad right now.
No, guess why?
Why?
It's right up.
It is drying up.
Yeah, that's okay.
Where do we want our tent?
Tell me why you headed west, searching for your soul.
Thank you.
I put a chair next to you.
Didn't make you
The park rangers, they were awesome. They were getting a kick out of my dog, smiling. She just says, "You have a foot in your trunk?" Probably thought I was hiding somebody because this was just peeking out. It looks very real from there.
Yeah, it's better. Here. Better?
Waves are
Right here.
all right. This is one door. That looks like the big door. Let's turn it this way.
Tell me how the water's tasting after all that wine. About me after all this time. I cannot pretend like I know
We want to turn it
you
one more
like I
time.
did so long ago. I cannot ask the things I asked of you so many years before.
We gotta stop really quick. We're gonna go pick up my wife.
Tell me you're the same.
He got you smoothies.
Tell me you're the
I thought I was
same.
going to walk from Safeway, so I chugged.
Tell me you're the same.
I was contemplating how I was going to get everything
Tell me
across.
you're the same.
He got the tent set up.
You're the same.
This view
Won't you tell
from your site right here.
me the same?
Look at this.
Closest coffee shop is 1 mile away.
I will be making cowboy coffee like a man right here at the campsite. But I am sad that the camp store is closed. I wanted to get a pizza. They make great pizza here.
Tell me you're the same. Won't you tell me you're the same? Tell me you're the same. Won't you tell me you're
Chris is getting amazing photos of these surfers way out there.
Tell me you're the same. Tell me you're the same. Tell me you're the same. Won't you tell me you're the same?
All right. There's no power at the site. We are running an extension cord, putting it here in the 4Runner. And we're gonna turn on the car and hopefully this works. All right, turn on the air mattress.
Oh, what's that? What's that, Mama?
Is it working? No?
What's this? Mama.
All right. I think there is a button in here. All right, now try it. Now it's working.
Whoa. Yeah. I stay here tonight.
It's raining right now, so we're taking a break, having some Go-Gurts. Life is great. Here's Tucker. What are we watching?
Him and the bad Aliens. I've been a bad boy. I've been a bad boy. You're making out.
All right. So we are gonna go on a walk to the beach. Because look how beautiful this looks. Even though it's raining, it's just gorgeous. We keep getting out of the tent to go do something else, and then it rains again. Where are you, kiddos? So it is raining again. But Krista looks happy as a clam. You love this weather. She's happy. Tucker refuses to go. Pup refuses to go in the tent. He likes it out here.
Ooh, it's soaking wet, Tucker. Ooh, it's soaking wet, Tucker. It's soaking wet.
He is soaking wet.
Oh, last week it's soaking wet too.
Rain. Been raining.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light. And what it's like to feel your pain.
Oh, what
Now
happened?
I'm okay. You're alright. I start to wonder why I came. I dreamed of things you said to me. We stand at your place while it rains. We talk and we laugh and watch TV. And I couldn't find the words. I couldn't think of what to say. And all that I can do is stop and think about the day when all we used to dream about was meeting at the school. And we would go on home and start right back again. I think I like when it rains. Call up some friends who have some fun. Lord, I wish things were the same nowadays.
I eat my nose. Why do I have a mouth?
Place when we're done. And I got nothing else to blame. I wish the world would come to me. We stand at your place
That's it.
while it rains.
So much splashing rocks in
We part
They're gonna cook. They didn't have dinner yet, so they're gonna cook.
to sleep.
And then we're gonna set up the fire.
Can I show you something?
Find the words. I couldn't think of what
Yeah.
to say. And all that
Has been. Are you excited for a marshmallow and fire?
I think
Oh,
about the
I am the worst. I forgot.
when all we used to
I forgot the graham crackers. I forgot our s'more sticks. I forgot a lot of things. Kids are amazing. They are very grateful, and they're just happy to have marshmallows. I'm a lucky dad. It looks like it's catching really well. Did you put crescent rolls on it?
Huh?
Crescent rolls on it?
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's that little baby one.
What are you guys making?
Yeah, our rainbow chicken. The starter cup.
Smile,
Oh,
Chris.
and it's in about 15 minutes.
And I couldn't find the words. I couldn't think of what to say. And all that I can do is stop and think about the days when all we used to dream about was meeting at the school. We would go on home and start right back again. We would go on home and
summer, and the magazine says,
Stinks.
yeah, and that helped it from melting.
It does. You guys did a good job.
Okay, say something. Hi, I'm Miss Aspen.
Bring this camera out because it was just, we were getting, oh man, it rained a lot, didn't it?
You know what? And I just feel that big raindrop.
Yeah.
I feel the big one.
We're getting 2 inches of rain. It's become a lot. I don't know if you could hear the rain. We might have to abandon ship. Everybody is soaked.
I saw only one thing.
One what?
One
Tent?
thing.
One tent?
Yeah, and it's not a thing as big like them.
The tarp, yeah. Our friends over there had a rain tarp. We just had dinner over there. We might have to leave. It's a lot of rain. I don't know if we're prepared. Guys, what are we gonna eat now?
Cookie dough.
We were gonna make these outside on the stove, but it is too wet. It is raining too hard. So we're gonna eat some
Cookie
raw
dough.
cookie dough.
It's not gonna cook it.
We're not gonna cook it this time, nope. Cookie dough.
That would look like Play-Doh slime.
It kind of does look like Play-Doh slime.
Yeah.
Very simple, just cookie dough.
Can I have some too? What?
What are you guys watching?
Coming for you?
Oh, you're watching our camping video. That's your marshmallow stick? Red says he wants to go to sleep. Oh, Red. We had a crazy fun day. We can hear the waves crashing. Hey, good night, kids. Anybody want to turn off the light? All right.
Where'd that go to?
We're in the middle of the storm. Pretty windy. A lot of rain. We're not going to be able to cook breakfast here.
No.
What do you guys want to eat? They both want cookie dough. Oh, you and your pillow. So, I think we are going to start. We're going to brush our teeth, have some breakfast cookie dough, pack up, get away from the storm.
No.
What do you mean?
Ready?
Oh. It has just been movies and cookie dough. This has been our view. Beautiful. We're getting rained on too much. We're packing up. We're gonna get ready to go home. Look,
It could take a while before the little ones have
that's where
snow.
we are.
So let me take you back in time.
It is a disaster. Said it was gonna calm down. It is getting worse. I mean, look at the storm out here. Oh man. All right. I just spent a while getting everything. You guys are dry. All right. I am not dry. I have just been soaked. So we're packed up. We're heading out. We escaped, and it is not looking good. This is our view. Right there, you see it?
No.
We are back.
Booty.
Shake your booty. Back. Having incredible breakfast. Made by Mama.